Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU5157. This is your 6-inch swivel trailer jack caster wheel with the pin. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is part number TPU5157, your 6-inch swivel trailer jack caster wheel with the pin on it. So it has a 6-inch wheel on it, plastic wheel, and part up top swivels. So whenever you install it onto the jack, it will allow for the wheel to freely move around like so. It's zinc-plated, so it's not going to rust up on you, so that's good. A lot of people use these on boats, in the water, going in and out of the water all the time, so zinc-plated is definitely a plus. And we'll just measure this out real quick. So obviously the wheel's 6 inches. The height, if it's standing up like it would be on a jack, it's going to come out to right about 9 inches tall. And the outer diameter, where it's going to go inside the jack, is going to be 2 1/4 inch. Let's get a better measurement on that. Let's do inner diameter here. It's going to be 2.05 inches, or the OD is going to be 2.24 inches. It comes with the pin right here. So you would just take this thing out, and if you wanted to install it, say on one of your standard trailer jacks, real simple, I'll show you real quick on that. So it works on like standard trailer jacks like you see here. So if you wanted to install it, you just take off the pin, slide it right over, so stick the pin in there and latch it up. And then now you have a swivel wheel on your jack, allowing you to move around your trailer a lot more easier. Pretty cool. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.